Hey guys, it's the Creative Lefty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my room. I have been wanting to do this for a long time, and finally I've gotten to it, so I hope you guys really enjoy my room. Okay guys, welcome to my room. Okay, so if you come in this door, you look over here, and you see my dresser. I've got my clock up there, and my shelves. And I just keep a bunch of odds and ends in here, and here's my jewelry box and my mirror. And here is my messy corner. Don't want to look there too long, because it's kind of messy. And over here is my desk where I do my schoolwork. And I have this really cool plant. It's called the sensitive plant. Its leaves are actually all folded up right now, if you guys can see that, because it is nighttime. I'm actually filming this at night, but in the daytime its leaves are all spread out, and if you touch them they'll fold up like this. And I want to see if I can get one to move. Oh, you see that? It just moved. I'm gonna try this one. Nope. Maybe this one. There it went. But it's actually a really cool plant. I will show you guys that when I film my next video in the daytime, hopefully. And here I have it's kind of like a music box, except it spins around, which is really cool. I'll show you guys if I can find the switch. But yeah, anyways, that is really cool. And here is my big window. Pretty cool window. And over here I just have a chair. It's really small for me now, but I just like to keep it there for decoration. And then in this door is my closet. And over here I have my fan and Alexa. Oh, she still went off. Never mind. Okay, and over here I have my bed. And if we come back here, you can see I have a little nook here. But anyway, I have a bookshelf. I really like reading. You can see all the books I have in there. And then I have my lamp and my little thing that I finger knitted for decoration, kind of, just to lay there. And I have up here, I have some point shoes. This is my first pair of point shoes. I really like that. And I have some rocks. I have some rocks up there too. And I have a painting and teacup and all different kinds of stuff for decoration. And we're back to this corner again. And anyways, I have really enjoyed showing you guys my room. Okay, so it is morning now, and they're all opened up. So I'm going to show you guys. See, they close up. It's pretty cool. Like that. But anyways, these plants are so cool. They are awesome, and I love having this plant in my room. It's just really fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite part of my room was. And while you're at it, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, please share this video with all of your friends and my channel with all of your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video.